hit progress report. It is now 2:06 a.m. and I'm in the middle of making a theater history quiz so I can study for the theater history test, the test that I do have tomorrow. And everybody's here and studying. And Jen is studying her evangelism and jamming. And can't hear me, so has no idea that I'm about to zoom in on her. And until just now.
Was I saying things out loud?
No, you weren't.
Michelle, how you got the camera on you right now? Jessica.
This is.
Rosalind.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh, that's the funny part. What?
Say hi.
Hi. Is the cap off?
Yeah. Yeah, there's no cap for this one.
What?
Zoolander is still going on.
Step back. This part.
This is a really funny part as I understand it.
I was the one that all the pretty girls used to make fun of. It was an awkward phase. Anyway, every day after school, I'd come home and I'd flip through the pages of my mom's Vogue and Glamour and I'd look at these women, these perfect, beautiful, just unbelievable, skinny women. I couldn't understand why I didn't look like them. I just didn't get it, so...
Genetics. Love.
So I became... What? Bulimic.
Lost the face.
You can read minds.
Oh, and Wilson's face was so priceless. Yeah. He was like, ooh.
For every meal. See, you know what? This is exactly what you models do to people. You make them feel bad about themselves. So what? I threw up after lots of meals. So do I. It's a great way to lose pounds before a show. Are you guys insane? Do you understand that it's a disease? Wow, and how that affect you with guys? And they don't want to get busy with you? Good point. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to sit here with both of you.
Okay, so that was fun. But now I'm going to turn it off and sign off for a little bit and more later. Bye-bye.